Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 17th October 2021. So in this briefing we will discuss about what is observed during past 24 hours and what is expected during next 5 days over different parts of the country. In addition to that, we will discuss about the synoptic conditions prevailing today over different parts of the country. So let us begin with the presentation. So here we are with this slide giving satellite imagery and also this synoptic systems as on today. So we can see that yesterday's low pressure area over the southeast Arabian Sea adjoining Kerala has become less marked today morning 0530 hours IST of today. However, this trough now lies this passing through this south interior Karnataka to south Tamil Nadu, and its extension is up to 0.9 kilometer above mean sea level. And yesterday's low pressure area over this Telangana and Navaroad is still persisting. And yesterday's trough from this Gulf of Martwan to this cyclonic circulation associated with Telangana and Navaroad across this east central Bay of Bengal. And this is in middle tropospheric levels. And yesterday's WD is persisting, and it is actually over Afghanistan and Navaroad. And so these three are the synoptic systems significant. First one is this low pressure area, second one is this trough, and third one is WD. So under the influence of this synoptic system, we will see that what is expected during next 24 hours and the subsequent 4-5 days also. So this is rainfall realized during past 24 hours. From this, under the influence of low pressure area over southeast Arabian Sea adjoining Kerala, extremely heavy rainfall has been realized at isolated places over Kerala. Here we have represented significant rainfall. That is, for example, in the district of Idukki, 31 centimeter rainfall has been realized. In Kottayam district, 27 centimeter. In Kollam, 17 centimeter. Thrissur and Kozhikode reported 15 centimeter. Kannur and this Pathanam Titta reported 14 centimeter. Ernakulam 13 centimeter. Palakkad 12 centimeter, and so on. And so good amount of rainfall has been realized yesterday over Kerala under the influence of low pressure area, and also extremely heavy rainfall realized over Tamil Nadu. That is Tirunelveli reported 28 centimeter and Kanyakumari 22 centimeter. In addition to this, Coimbatore reported 9 centimeter. Here we have represented some of the significant rainfalls. In addition to these two subdivisions, Kerala and Mahi and Tamil Nadu, this coastal Karnataka, the Chil Kannada reported 15 centimeter. In South Central Karnataka, Kodagu reported 10 centimeter. In Odisha also heavy rainfall, that is Balasore reported 10 centimeter. Ganjam and Khordha reported 7 centimeter. In coastal Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam reported 11 centimeter. Vijayanagaram and Guntur reported 7 centimeter. In West MP, Burhanpur reported heavy rainfall, and Telangana, Karimnagar reported 15 centimeter, and Rangareddy reported 10 centimeter, and so on. So these are some of the significant rainfall. And so as far as this withdrawal of monsoon is concerned, this because of a good amount of rainfall over South Peninsular India, the further withdrawal has not been done. So this withdrawal line still continues to pass through this yesterday's position as shown here, this blue line. So this area is still where monsoon is still there, and so this is the weather warning for 17th October, valid up to 8:30 hours IST of 18th October 2021. So from this we can see that this orange color zone, that is Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, and Gangetic West Bengal. These are the locations where moderate to severe thunderstorm and this is squally winds, even hailstorm also. There is a possibility over Uttarakhand and this Himachal Pradesh for today, and also very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 12 centimeter is also expected over these subdivisions where orange color is shown here. However, we can see that this South Peninsular India, that is coastal Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, yesterday's extremely heavy rainfall and very heavy rainfall episode has been reduced, and only as isolated heavy rainfall is expected over these three subdivisions, that is coastal Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. And other subdivisions, we can see that Odisha, where there is a possibility of heavy rainfall today, and also this heavy rainfall is expected over northeast Rajasthan and western northwest MP actually. And heavy rainfall is also expected over Punjab and Jammu Kashmir Ladakh area today, 17 October. As far as this thunderstorm activity, this whole subdivision, whole area, that is in western region, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim, Odisha, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Northeast Rajasthan, and this Telangana, Marathwada, and coastal Andhra Pradesh. Where moderate to severe thunderstorm activity is likely during next 24 hours, and isolated thunderstorm also likely over these two subdivisions, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So these are the weather warnings for today. As far as this fishermen warnings are concerned, today we have issued this South Kerala coast. Along end of South Kerala coast, there is a possibility of squally weather, speed ranging 40 to 50, gusting to 60 kmph. So for this, fishermen are advised not to venture this common area, Maldives area, and Gulf of Mannar today, and also over this North Bay of Bengal and along end of West Bengal and Bangladesh coast today. So these are the fishermen warnings. As already told, there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall over this northwest India on 18th. So impact is also expected over Uttarakhand and West Uttar Pradesh in connection with extremely heavy falls at one or two places on 18th, and very heavy rainfall over Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh on 17th, Northeast Uttar Pradesh on 18th, and over Himachal Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal on 17th and 18th, and on Uttarakhand on 17th and 19th, somewhere in West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya on 19th and 20th. So impact is expected in terms of localized flooding of roads, inundation and water logging in low-lying areas, and closure of underpass mainly in urban areas of the above region, and occasional reduction in visibility at the time of heavy rainfall, and disruption of traffic in major cities due to water logging in roads leading to increased travel time. Minor damage to Kacha roads, possibility of damage to vulnerable structure, localized mudslides, landslides also possible, damage to horticulture and standing crops in some areas due to inundation. It may lead to riverine flooding in some river catchments. For riverine flooding, please visit web page of Central Water Commission. As far as action suggested is concerned, check for traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination. Follow any traffic advisory that are issued in this regard. Avoid going to areas that face the waterlogging problem and avoid staying in vulnerable structures. As far as this impact due to the thunderstorm activities are concerned over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 17 and 18, where squall and hailstorm is likely on during next 2 days, that is 17 or 18th, and due to the thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind over Punjab, East Rajasthan on 17, over Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh on 17 and 18th, over Gangetic West Bengal during 17 to 19 October 2021. So damage expected, damage to thatched huts and abstracts roofed houses and cars. Rooftops may blow off. Unattached metal sheets may fly. Damage to power and communication lines due to the breaking of tree branches during the time of severe thunderstorm. And damage to standing crops, lightning strikes to ground, and flash flood due to in associated with the rain during the time of severe thunderstorm. As far as actions suggested are concerned, farmers should not go in open fields during the time of thunderstorm. Cattle grazers and animals should not be in open, and no fishing or boat movement. Mango and lychee orchards should be out of bound for any activity, especially by children, if there is any such kind of trees there. And do not take shelter under isolated trees. Immediately get out and away from ponds, lakes, and outdoor watery area, that is paddy transplantation, etc. Go indoor or seek safe pakka shelters after hearing thunder. Stay indoors for 30 minutes after hearing the lap clap of thunder. If no shelter is available, immediately get into the lightning crouch and during travel stay inside car or bus or train when thunderstorm occurs. Do not use electronic appliances. Stay away from down power lines. So these are some of the generalized actions suggested, and they may be suitably done by the general public. And if we go for this weather warnings for next 5 days, we can see that this current activity of intense rainfall over northwest India likely to continue till 19th, and after 19th there is a possibility of significant reduction in rainfall and intensity thereafter. As far as this East India, that is Gangetic West Bengal, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha is concerned, this rainfall activity very likely to continue till 19th, and there is a possibility of reduction from 20th. And as far as this intense spell of northeast India is concerned, it is likely during 18 to 21 over especially over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Sub-Himalayan West, this Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and it is likely to continue till 21st. So it will likely to start from 18th and likely to continue till 21st. And as far as this current spell of heavy rainfall over this south peninsular India, that is this coastal Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, this is significantly likely to reduce from tomorrow onwards, and a fresh spell of episode of rainfall is very likely to commence from 20th October onwards over this subdivision, that is Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So these are the summary of this. As far as the Delhi region is concerned, this moderate rainfall is expected over Delhi on today, that is 17th October. However, there is a possibility of moderate to severe thunderstorm over Delhi on today. So as far as summary of the thunderstorm is concerned, we can see that moderate to severe thunderstorm with lightning, squally winds and hailstorm over these subdivisions, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gangetic West Bengal and Northeast Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours. So it is already told about the action suggested, and so take the precautionary actions it is requested to the general public. Thank you. We will meet again.